Making some Christmas tree. So it's easier to mix this way. Now that's all level, it looks like big. So this is the progress. She attached her business to my business. So this is the new progress of our billiard. Then we put some half wall in here. This is going to be the bathroom, and then this is going to be a sink. That's the septic tank of the house that we rented, or the store that we rented, and this is going to be a bathroom, and then a sink or wood, and then this is gonna be our floor. So what they do is they put cement and then sand, and then cement and then sand. So it's easier to mix this way. So they're making some volcanic cement over here. The billiard house project takes more than a month because the job is on and off, depends on my budget. And the labor cost getting the stones and sand to dump to the billiard house floor takes a few days also. But the flooring job takes 1 day only, with just 3 workers. And after this, we will wait for a few days for the floor to dry. So this is the floor, looks like the current floor. Yay, it's all done. Now that's all level, it looks like big. And this is gonna be our stairs. Radiator. So we are planning to buy this Brunswick brand pool table. This is used pool table, and I think it's good as new. This assemble of pool table to transport is very easy, but to assemble it again takes a day or more days to finish. Oh, tagis ra day na? Sa man asa color? Garas?
Buka pintu nak dah. Dari paggulit sa pagagana-gana.
Hindi na po nagkarton. The hardest part to assemble in pool table is the leveling. This one needs to be level 100%. And the pool table have 3 marble plates. So they're putting the lights over here, and then the billiard is almost done. We're trying to finish as soon as possible.
Dito kayo, bro. Balag.
Okay, so this is the progress of the billiard house project, and it's actually functional over there, the billiard, and then here they're still working on the walls, and then for the chair, and also for a little kitchen over there.
3 sisuro, hapit.
Nana is making some Christmas tree. This is our DIY Christmas tree made from our previous decoration and anything we can find here at the shop. More, Pia? Wala na.
Wala na.
No more?
Yes.
Oo. Yes, DIY Christmas tree. We bought some lights the other day as well. Ta-da! Very nice. So this is our Christmas light decoration looks like at our tindahan, our store, guys. Look. So we added like this one. This is from our previous decoration few years ago, and as well these, but this one is brand new. Some of this, the yellow is brand new, and as well this one is brand new. This at the bottom is old from our previous decoration. We mix, we buy brand new and also our old decorations. It looks nice, right? Yay! We are going to make hole in this side to put door to access to the pool table area. So we have door right now at the billiards from here in the main store. So this is our door. Now it's very accessible. Okay, so this is the final door. So as you can see, it's now all done. And then we have this door made by my dad. Yes. So this door connected to the store and then to the billiard. This one's easier to access from the store to the billiard. Okay, so this is the new progress inside. So we have this wall like this. Wait lang. That one. And yeah, I'll show you outside. So this is what it looks like outside. So this one is the bathroom and the sink. This is the other side. So that's the hataso. We cover it with trapal. Sister have this Wi-Fi over here.
Sorry, mommy.
She attached her business to my business. So that's what our sisters are for. And then this is our entrance area. So we cover this one because it's early in the morning. And today also we are going to get my second table. So I am so excited to get my second table, guys, and hopefully it's a good one. So let's go. This is my second pool table.
Ay, mas bugatan
This
ko lang
is
kang garo.
Ilex brand,
O kani.
almost similar to my previous pool table. We visited two different pool tables And then we found this one and bought it right away because this is a good one than others. One marble plate needs to 3 to 4 person to carry it. It's really heavy. And I'm glad these people helped us. And of course, I'm going to give them snacks. So they are removing the cellophane cover. To assemble this pool table takes 3 days because there are bolts that needs to buy in the main town. So this is our second pool table. That's very heavy, guys. So the hardest part in assemble this pool table is the level. So this is the wood that we demolished from my grandparents' house, and right now we're going to get this tabla, this one, to put the billiard for the extension. Then I'll show you what I'm talking later. So this one, they can still use that. We can still use that one. It's still durable. So this roof also is from my grandparents' house. So we're gonna use it to the billiard area. So we are heading right now to the billiard area with all of the things that we brought. Yeah! Yay! My video is very wiggly. So this is the new progress of the extension area. And we added roof over there. That's from the farmhouse yesterday. And then the pool table looks like this. So this is the new progress of the extension area right here. This is the finished one. As you can see, it looks like this. And then the front side. So we bought this cover, green cover, for 2,500 pesos. 4 side of pool table will change to new cover. Muna yung mga napalit. Kabot man na oh. So I'm going to play at the new pool table. So this is the pool table looks like. This is the finished one, which is the second pool table, and then this is the first pool table. It looks like that. It's all finished. This one they assemble for 2 days assemble, and then 1 day to get this pool table. If you guys enjoyed, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to click the notification bell to keep you updated. And thank you so much for the continued support. Bye everyone.